You can become self-aware by 1. Emotional awareness, recognizing your emotions and their effect. People with this competence know which emotions they are feeling and why. They realize the links between their feelings, what they think, do and say, and also recognize how their feelings affect their performance. They have a guiding awareness of their values and goals. 2. Accurate self-assessment. Knowing one's strengths and limits. People with this competence are aware of their strengths and weaknesses. They are reflective and they learn from experience. 3. Open to candid feedback, new perspective. People with this competence are able to show a sense of humor and perspective about themselves. They present themselves with self-assurance and have a presence. They can voice views that are unpopular and they go out on a limb for what is right. These people are decisive, able to make a sound decision despite uncertainty and pressure.